Hello everyone, welcome to my HSK 1 3.0 course. I'm so happy you're here and I'm excited to start this journey with you. Before we begin our first lesson, there are a few things I want to share with you. I think they'll help you get most out of this course. So first, if you're a complete beginner, I highly recommend watching my 30-day Chinese beginner challenge before you start this course. In that series, you'll learn tones, pinyin, some characters, and basic information about Chinese that you need to know. Each video is about 1 to 2 minutes long, so you can finish this series in 1 hour. Of course, if you've learned pinyin or you have some experience with Chinese, then you can start this course right away. We'll definitely cover everything in HSK 1 3.0 textbook, but I also want to add more. I want to teach you Chinese in use. I'll often introduce more expressions, more examples. Sometimes I'll explain why Chinese people say something in that way, how a word is commonly used outside the textbook. I want you to learn Chinese that actually you can use in a real conversation. Another thing is that I want this course to be more interactive. Throughout the lesson, I'll ask you questions from time to time. You can pause for a moment, think about that by yourself, and try to answer that question, even if you're just speaking to your screen. Active thinking and answering will help you much more than just watching the video. I also highly recommend taking handwritten notes while you study. Writing things down helps you remember characters, words, and useful expressions. Besides the textbook content, every lesson we have more. I might introduce extra vocabulary, useful expressions, cultural insights, common mistakes, and learning tips. Everything I think are worth knowing. So have your own notebook will be very helpful. And you can review your notes later and it'll become your personalized Chinese learning guide. Well, I'd like to say a few words about my English. I'll be teaching this course mainly in English, but English is not my first language. You may notice that I make mistakes from time to time. Based on my teaching experience over the last several years, most students understand me very well, so I don't think it'll affect your learning. If you do notice any mistakes, you are always welcome to leave a comment and let me know because I'm still learning English and I want to improve my English. You'll also notice that I always use some easy words. There's not many academic words I would use. That's because many Chinese learners are not native English speakers. So I always explain things in an easy way. That's everything I wanted to share before we begin. Thank you so much for choosing this course, and I hope these lessons will not only help you pass HSK1 exam, but also give you the confidence to use Chinese in daily life. Now, if you're ready, let's start learning Chinese together.